Oh, looky here, looky here. Here goes another one. I love it.
That guy getting out.
Brandon Green.
Andy Jones.
Okay, nice to meet
Good
you,
to meet
Andy.
you.
You as well. You as well. Take a look at this. I like the color.
Yeah.
I don't see many of them. Not this color.
I like it.
Oh, I love it. I love it. All right, guys, you see what it is? I have a whole lot of cars I have to move around. This customer brought in his SL500 in from Kentucky. Beautiful car. I like the color. I like the gold on top of the 10, or the 10 on top of the 10, or however you want to describe it. It's a very nice color. You don't see a lot of these, the 10 SLs. This is a nice example. The interior is very clean as well. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. So these cars have to be moved. Let's see. I'm going to put that one inside of there, probably right next to the red one. I just have to coordinate how I'm going to get these done and the time frame. I know how much time I have. Whatever one I decide to work on first, or if I'm going to do it simultaneously at the same time, go back and forth, maybe do the pumps on each one. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But this is a very nice car, though. Very nice car. More than likely, I'll just do one at a time. I'm just saying that, but you know what I mean. Let's take a look on the inside. Very clean. The seats are very clean, too. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So the customer said that there is an issue with his front left strut, or maybe the control arm. I think the previous owner before him told him it's the upper control arm. It's making some noise when you press down on it. Every time it hits a bump, it's real noisy. So I'll take a look at that. 75,000 miles. That's cool. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So you can hear it every time you even move the car. Listen to it. And that's me putting pressure on it. All right, so I'll see what that is once I get in there. But let me go ahead and start moving these cars around so I can make some room. Hey guys, this is me, Brandon Green, go to Autoworks. I just want to interrupt this video real quick, just to give an explanation and also an update. This coilover swap or conversion that I did, incorporating the Silver's Neomax adjustable coilovers into this owner's SL500, I did so without recording the actual process. I wanted to really focus on the installation and not all the specifics. A lot of my other installation videos do show the process, how to do it, tips, things of that nature. But this video, I wanted to really make sure that I just focus and hone in on getting it done right. The owner of this vehicle said that he had an issue with some creaking noise coming out of the front driver's side wheel area. We're trying to narrow it down. Was it a suspension component? Was it the ABC strut itself? Upon installation, I did realize, though, that it is not the ABC strut, even though it did have some wear and tear to it and some play. It is likely the upper control arm. I think the lower control arm got swapped out. I might be confusing the two, but it's something related to the suspension geometry and the components, not the strut itself. So I did want to make that clear and explain that. The duration of this video will be the completed project. You'll see the customer coming to pick up his vehicle. He's located here in Kentucky, which is like just south of Ohio, so not that far away from where I am located. So I appreciate him trusting me to do the installation on his vehicle. And if he has any problems, he knows he can reach out to me. I'm here. So I appreciate the love and support from everyone. Continue to bring your vehicles here. Just as this car was being completed, another one came in from out of town. So, you know, keep them coming, guys. Keep them coming. So I appreciate the love and support. And thank you for all that you guys have allowed me to be able to do, help as many people as I am able to help. And I am always here if you need me. Contact me through phone call, text message, email, directly through the website, whatever. I'm here. Again, thanks for the love and support, guys. Let's keep it coming. No, man. You're my client now. I call you my client, not my customer, my client. This is gorgeous, man. I love this color. And the tan really is a perfect color for the interior, like the combination. It's beautiful. It's nice silver wheels, AMG wheels. It's perfect. Yep. I like the height all the way around. I like that. So I did, like some of my videos, I was doing 2 inches. I was adjusting the length to 2 inches after I would bring it to a certain point and then, decrease the length by 2 inches. Now I'm realizing 1 inch is perfect. 1 inch gives you this perfect, even all the way around, ABC original height. For those who like to put like aftermarket wheels or they lower the stance where it looks sporty and tunerish or whatever, the 2 inches is appropriate. But for everyday driving, like this is perfect. I like this height. It's perfect. So how do you, I got to think in the video, man. So how do you think? What do you think? How does it feel?
It's great. Brandon P. Green for all your Mercedes needs.
Thank you, man. I know you want to be in the video, but I can't help it. Beautiful car, man.